Okay, so we're going to quick review foiling with imaginary numbers. You just multiply. So first off, we're going to multiply everything by -3 on the right side. So -3 times -3 is 9. -3 times the 5i is -15i. 2i times -3 is -6i. And 2i times 5i is 10i squared. Here's my little I squared. I squared is -1. So this is really a -10 sitting over here. These two together, these right here will be -21i, and then I got a 9 in front. So now I'm going to put my 9 and -10 together, and that will be -1 minus 21i. They usually prefer that you write it with the number without the I in front, or the real number, and the number with the I in the back. So -1 minus 21i. And here's our last one for imaginary numbers, -4 plus I squared. That means that I'm going to have two of those groupings, so I'm going to write it out twice and then FOIL. So -4 plus I times -4 plus I. -4 times -4 is 16, and then -4i minus 4i plus I squared. I squared again is -1. So you're always turning this I squared into -1. These two put together here are -8i, and then I have a 16. So 16 minus 1 will be 15 minus 8i, and that's my answer for that one. And again, I have a few more for you to try. Thank you.